Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the Spanish verb ir, which means to go. It's an irregular verb, so its forms don't follow the usual patterns. But don't worry, you'll soon know how to say things like I go, you go, and we go with ease. The present tense forms are voy, vas, va, vamos, and van. Let's explore how to use them in real sentences. The verb ir changes depending on the person we're talking about. Here is a list of its present tense forms based on who is doing the action. Yo voy, I go. Tú vas, you go. Él va, he goes. Ella va, she goes. Ellos van, they go. Ellas van, they go, all female. Ustedes van, you all go. Nosotros vamos, we go. Nosotras vamos, we go, all female. Yo voy a la escuela. I go to school. Tú vas al parque. You go to the park. Él va al aeropuerto. He goes to the airport. Ella va al hotel. She goes to the hotel. Elena va al supermercado. Elena goes to the supermarket. Ellos van a la playa. They go to the beach. Ellas van al restaurante. They go to the restaurant. Ustedes van a la iglesia. You all go to church. Nosotros vamos al mercado. We go to the market. Nosotras vamos al hospital. We go to the hospital, all female. Well done! You've just completed the short lesson on the present tense verb ir. Now you know how to say I go, you go, we go, and more using forms like voy, vas, va, vamos, and van. You also learn how to use ir with destinations, and how the contraction al is formed when a and el come together. With these basics, you're ready to talk about where people go in Spanish. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.